All right, so here's how you will be getting to code.org through Clever, okay, so that it will sync your account into for my course. Okay, so first you're going to just go to the internet. Any browser should be fine, and you're going to type in SPS to go to their website. So I'm going to go to the Seattle Public Schools home. Okay, and as a student, you should click on Student Family Portals. And then if you scroll down, Student Portal again. Okay, and you're going to log in with Active Directory. This is my kids' computer that they share, so here's my oldest account. So you should click on your SPS username. For hers, it just remembers her on this computer. If it doesn't remember yours, then you'll just go ahead and sign in with your SPS username followed by @seattleschools.org and put in your password. Okay, and then we're getting into Clever. Okay, so from here you should find code.org. It might be in your favorites, it might not. So I'm scrolling down until I see code.org. I'm wondering why this isn't in my daughter's favorites. But to add it, I'm going to add it for her into her favorites. So now it should appear up top when she first logs in. You might want to do that for you, but you don't have to. Find the app that looks like this and then click on code.org. Okay. And then you'll know you're logged in if you see your name up here in the top right corner, okay? And what happens when you log in this way is it does sync you directly into my course that I've assigned you. And then you can see here which ones you've completed. So this is the first lesson, Function in Minecraft. And then lesson 2 and 3 have also been assigned also, but no rush on getting those completed. I see my daughter hasn't gotten them done either. But the second lesson, Swimming Fish with Sprite Lab, and then the third, Alien Dance Party. Okay, and then Course of F does have several other lessons, but I have them all hidden for now until I assign those. Okay, but just some key things, so signing in through Clever, and then you'll know you're logged in because you'll see your name up there. Okay, all right, good luck.